just making a quick pit stop. Thought that tunnel was pretty cool, but that's not what we're here to see. There's a cable car going over this cord, the waterfall. So stopped off here to take a gander, and the wind's picking up. Feels really good out here. Having fun. Found the magic school bus. Just flying through the air. Alright, so that bad boy. How was that? How was that? There's our master and commander back there. We're gonna head down.
Sorry, I don't mind that.
It's got some speed. No, I should be fine. She's a flying squirrel. Be fine, right? There we go. I already feel like I'm slowing down there today. Yeah, you gotta slow down. Hey, that's in the road. Oh my God, it's so high. Oh, I got aerodynamics. Yes, my God. How'd you do that? How did you pass me? Taking us. Why? We're coming in hot, man. Coming in hot. Oh, it's so fast. Oh, there we go.
Pero amor como el mío sincero, no hallarás nunca en tu camino y verás que cruel destino te conducirá.
Oh, wow. All right, that is super cool. All right, heading across the bridge. I don't know how far I'm supposed to go, but it's not going to be in a hurry. Whoa, that's pretty. All right, let's see if we can do this without falling. Yeah, because this is what we're working with here. Yep, I found the waterfall. Probably can't hear me, but it's really loud. Also really far down there.